So I'm already done with the entire face makeup. So this is going to be only the eye tutorial. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the MAC paint pot. This is the soft ochre paint pot. And I'm just going to use this with my finger and applying this all over the eyelid area. And this is a very easy, achievable smoky eye look. I'm using my Bare Minerals Bare Skin setting powder and I'm just setting in my eye primer. And for the eyeshadow look today, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. This one is definitely dupable. Most of the shades is available on their single eyeshadow version and also some of the other Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. But I personally do like this warm shade, so that's why I had to get it and I've been digging into it. So I'm going to pick out the shade Burnt Orange. And you may want to dust off the excess before you apply it on your eye area. And if you're already wearing makeup, so you definitely don't want to get everything underneath your eye area. So I'm just buffing it in on the crease area and bringing it towards over the lid area as well. So this is just going to give a transition shade. The next shade I'm picking up is Sienna, and this is another matte eyeshadow shade with the very same eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to dab it on the outer corner and then buffing it in towards the inner corner as well. On the crease. Again, this is a very easy, messy kind of smoky eye look that I do typically every day. Because on everyday basis, I don't really wear any wing eyeliner or so I kind of prefer wearing a smoky eye look. Now for the entire lid, I'm using the shade Mulberry. This is more of like a reddish brown. It's my most favorite shade in this entire palette. So I'm just placing this on my lid area and just buffing it out. These eyeshadows are powdery, but they're very soft. I believe that's why they're powdery. But they do have pretty good pigmentation on it. I'm just dabbing it in to intensify the color. I'm going to use the very same brush just to blend the edges so that it doesn't leave any harsh line. I'm gonna pack the shade again. And I'm using the same brush to blend them in. That's done. I'm picking up this shade Sultry right here. It's more of like a deep bronze shade. And this is much more like a shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm placing it on the crease area and just blending it in. And on the other side of my brush, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the rose pink shade just to place it on the center of the lid area. Again, using the brush and blending in the shades. Don't be too harsh because you might just wipe off the eyeshadow shades. Just go very lightly and blend them in. So pretty much we're done with the look. For highlight, I'm going to use the shade Tempera right here. This is more of like a matte eyeshadow shade. So I'm going to mix it with Glistening. This is more of like a goldish shade. Picking up very little on the brush for the brow bone area. Doing likewise on this side of the eye. And for the lower lid, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs. This is their matte gel eyeliner in the shade Brownie. So I'm just going to smoke it out. For the inner rim of the eye, I'm going to use my Thrive Cosmetics Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner in Lauren. This is a black eyeliner just on the top lid. I'm going to use a different brush right now. It's much more a defined brush, but I'm not picking up any eyeshadow shades, but I'm just going to blend the eyeshadows from the top lid, bringing it down, just smoking it out. And likewise, I'm going to highlight the inner corner with the very first shade Tempera and Glistening. And lastly, I'm going to apply mascara. I'm just going to curl my lashes. The mascara that I'm using is by NYX. And I'm using the NYX Worth the Hype Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Pretty much is my everyday kind of smoky eye look.